The next question is coming from June from Fumi Hong. All right, we're very near here. All right, June, welcome to your question. We're picking up your question. So, hey, I am selling few cosmetics and I want to improve my CX for my website. Please give me some advice. How can I improve my CX for my website? June, you have been doing a business about cosmetics. I think you've been doing good, and I think you're pretty much in strategic area in Fumi Hong. So Christian already mentioned about giving the product authenticity in where it from, the made in, and those are stunning. It sounds very simple, but if you look through each of the product catalog in your website, I'm sure there is a tons of things you can improve, like the way Christian just shared about it. So from my side, I have nothing much to add. Just the only thing I want to do is this one. Your website need to fit in here. Make sure that a website is mobile responsive. If it's not mobile responsive, you dead. Nobody, because one of the biggest part you need to doing this one is about probably you're doing selling through social media marketing, and so people will be opening up your website in phone, and if it's not mobile responsive, it's very hard for them. So basically you will keep losing your customer and telling them to go somewhere else to buy, because if you're not mobile responsive enough, to make sure this it's there. So let